Chase. It's my partner in crime. Here we have YouTube. We've got a 2015 Lexus IS 250. We're gonna be putting a full system in this bad boy. I'll do some videos and highlights of how we'll integrate a really nice overall full sound system. Here's all the components. We got some Diamond Audio subwoofer, shallow mount. We got some Diamond Audio tweeters and 6.5 components. Piece of plexi, we're gonna do something cool in the back with some plexiglass. Got a Diamond Audio 5-channel digital amplifier, power everything. Got a really nice fuse holder by Stinger. And we've got the LC7i from Audio Control. That's going to integrate with the factory radio, so we don't lose all those goodies that it carries. And then some lights. I'm going to do some lighting with the plexiglass. So stay tuned for this 2015, really nice 2015 IS 250. Please like and subscribe. Say hi, Chase. And he's sniffing it out. Stay tuned.
It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. 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 What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way.